text describes the genealogy of the Israelites, including Adam, Seth, Enosh, Kenan, Mahalalel, Jared, Enoch, Methuselah, Lamech, and Noah. Noah's sons include Shem, Ham, Japheth, Gomer, Magog, Madai, Javan, Tubal, Meshech, and Tiras. The sons of Gomer include Ashkenaz, Rephath, Togarmah, Elisha, Tarshish, the Kettites, and the Rodanites. The Hamites had several sons, including Cush, Egypt, Put, and Canaan. Cush was the father of Nimrod, while Egypt was the father of various tribes, including the Hittites, Jebusites, Amorites, Girgashites, Hivites, Arkites, Sinites, Arvadites, Zemarites, and Hamathites. The Semites had several sons, including Elam, Asher, Arphaxad, Lud, and Aram. Aber had two sons, one named Peleg and his brother Joktan, who were descendants of Joktan. Abraham's family included Isaac, Esau, Eliphaz, Ruel, Jush, Jalam, Korah, Teman, Omar, Zepho, Gatam, and Kenaz. Sarah's descendants included Isaac, Esau, Eliphaz, Nahath, Zerah, Shammah, and Mizah. The people of Seir and Edom had several sons, including Lotan, Shobal, Zibeon, Anah, Dishon, Ezer, and Dishan. Lotan's sons included Hori and Homam. Shobal's sons included Alvan, Manahath, Ebal, Shepho, Onam. Zibeon's sons included Aya and Anna. Dishon's sons included Hemdan, Eshban, Ithran, Karan, Bilhan, Zavan, and Akan. And Dishan's sons included Uz and Aran. The rulers of Edom before any Israelite king reigned were Bela, Jobab, Husham, Hadad, Samlah, Shaul, Baal-Hanan, and Hadad. The chiefs of Edom were Timnah, Alvah, Jetheth, Oholibama, Elah, Pinon, Kenaz, Teman, Mibzar, Magdiel, and Iram. In summary, the Israelites had numerous descendants, including Adam, Seth, Enosh, Kenan, Mahalalel, Jared, Enoch, Methuselah, Lamech, and Noah. The descendants of these families included various tribes, such as the Semites, the Hamites, and the Israelites.